Hello friends, let us see differentiation. In previous video we have seen geometrical meaning of derivative and theorem on derivative of inverse functions. Now let us see examples on derivative of inverse functions. Let us see question. Find the derivative of the function y is equal to f of x using the derivative of the inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y in the following. So let us see first example. Y is equal to cube root of x plus 4. Therefore y is a function which is given in x variable, so we have to write this function in x. Therefore y cube is equal to x plus 4, that is x is equal to y cube minus 4, that is in the form x is equal to f inverse of y. Therefore differentiate x with respect to y. Therefore dx upon dy is equal to d by dy of y cube minus 4. Now we can distribute this derivative to each term of this bracket. D by dy of y cube minus d by dy of 4. Now d by dy of y cube, which is in the form x raised to n, and its derivative x raised to n minus 1. Therefore n means here 3 y raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, 3y square. Again dy by dy with respect to y minus d by dy of 4 is constant, therefore its derivative is 0, and therefore here we got 3y square. Dy upon dy, that is 1, that is we got dx upon dy is equal to 3y square. But here we have to find derivative of the function y is equal to f of x by using the derivative of the inverse function. Therefore by derivative of inverse function dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. So here we can put the value of dx upon dy by using 1, that is 3y square, but we have y is equal to cube root of x plus 4. Y is equal to cube root of x plus 4. Therefore here we can put the value of y in this answer. 1 upon 3, we have to put the value of y, that is cube root of x plus 4 bracket square. And therefore this is the derivative of the function y by using the inverse function, or by using the derivative of the inverse function. Now let us see next example. Second example, y is equal to in root or in square root 1 plus root x. So on squaring we get, or squaring on both sides, y square is equal to 1 plus root x. Therefore y square minus 1 is equal to root x. Again on squaring we get y square minus 1 bracket square is equal to x, that is we can say x is equal to y square minus 1 bracket square. For this we can say equation number 1, and for this we can say equation number 2. Now we have to find the derivative of y using the derivative of the inverse function. Therefore Here x is a function which is given in y variable, therefore differentiate this x with respect to y. Therefore dx upon dy is equal to d by dy of y square minus 1 bracket square. Y square minus 1 bracket square, which is in the form of d by dx of x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1. We can use this formula. Therefore here 2 y square minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, into d by dy in bracket remaining this term y square minus 1. Therefore 2y square minus 1, we have to distribute the derivative to each term of this bracket. Therefore d by dy of y square minus d by dy of 1, 2y square minus 1 as it is. Derivative of this y square, again we have to use this formula, n x raised to n minus 1, that is 2y raised to 1, that is 2y. Again derivative of itself, dy upon dy, that is 1, minus derivative of 1 with respect to y, that is 0, because 1 is constant. And therefore here we got 2y square minus 1 in bracket 2y. Therefore 2 is multiplied to 2y, that is 4y in bracket y square minus 1, which is the derivative of given function x, that is dx upon dy, 4y y square minus 1. But we have to find the derivative of the given function y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy by derivative of inverse function. Now we have to put the value of 1 upon dx upon dy, that is 4y y square minus 1. Again here we have to put the value of y, that is root 1 plus root x. Therefore 1 upon 4, y means here root 1 plus root x in bracket root 1 plus root x square minus 1. Now this value can be written as dy by dx one upon 4 in root 1 plus root x in bracket square of this root 1 plus root x, that is we will get 1 plus root x minus 1, that is 1 upon 4 in bracket root 1 plus root x, 1 plus root x minus 1, 1 minus 1 get cancelled, and therefore we got 1 upon 4, that is in bracket root x in bracket root 1 plus root x, and this is the derivative of given function y, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 4 root x in bracket root 1 plus root x, which is the derivative of given function y is equal to in root 1 plus root x. Now let us see third example. Y is equal to log of x. Now y is a function which is given in x, so we have to write this value in x. Therefore x is equal to e raised to y, or after shifting this log to left hand side we will get e raised to y. Therefore differentiate this x with respect to y. Therefore dx upon dy is equal to d by dy of e raised to y. But we know that d by dx of e raised to x, that is its derivative is e raised to x, and again d by dx of x, that is 1. Therefore we get e raised to x. So here d by dy of e raised to y, that is e raised to y, and again d by dy of y, that is 1, and therefore e raised to y into 1, that is we will get e raised to y, that is dx upon dy is equal to e raised to y. Now we have to find the derivative of y by using the derivative of inverse function. Therefore by derivative of inverse function, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. So we have to put the value of dx upon dy here, 1 upon e raised to y, and again we have to put the value of y. Y means here log of x. So here 1 upon e log of x to the base, here e is there, and therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x, because we know that e log of x to the base e, that is 1 into x, that is x, and therefore we got dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x, which is the derivative of the given function y is equal to log of x. Now let us see next examples in the next video by using the derivative of inverse function. Bye, take care.